once again to Greenswitch Initiative. Just a quick one with the happenings on our environment all over the world. Last week, the Dubai was all over the news because of flooding. It was reported that the heavy rainfall broke records of about 75 years in the United Arab Emirates, popularly known as the UAE. Note, the UAE is one of the hottest and driest regions of the world. Heavy rainfalls are unusual in this part of the world. Now, the question we all should be asking at this point is, what caused such heavy rainfall in a region where it is difficult for rain to fall? Given the circumstances around, there are but only two possibilities. One is cloud seeding, two is climate change. Let's take them one after the other. What is cloud seeding? Cloud seeding is the process by which the clouds are manipulated to produce more rains. In other words, it is the process of implanting chemicals into the clouds to increase rainfall. Such chemicals include silver iodide. These particles aid condensation of water vapor easily and then turns them into rain. However, the UAE government denied cloud seeding before the Dubai flooding. This leaves us with only one option: climate change. At this point, I know so many questions will be running in your mind, but the two most critical questions should be: can climate change be responsible for this? If yes, how? First of all, let us understand what is climate change. Climate change is the alteration in the usual weather condition of a region. In other words, once there is a disruption in the weather condition of a region over a period of time, it points a finger to climate change. And one of the consequences is extreme weather conditions, just as was experienced in Dubai. Given this, one can point a finger that climate change is the reason for the flooding in the region. The second question is, how did this happen? How it happened is that we cannot deny the fact that the global temperature is rising annually. The air is becoming warmer, meaning that more water is evaporated into the atmosphere. Additionally, warmer air can hold more moisture, about 7% extra for every degree Celsius rise in temperature, which can in turn increase the intensity of the rain. So with the consistency in the global warming and with more moisture available in the atmosphere, storms and heavy rains of such nature are possible. Although investigations are still going on by researchers and climate experts to ascertain the real cause of the flooding in Dubai, which might take up to several months, but the outcome will not be different from what we already know. In conclusion, the consequences of human actions are gradually catching up with us. As long as we continue to burn oil, gas, and coal, and engage in other unsustainable environmental practices, the climate will continue to warm. Rainfall will continue to get heavier. People will continue to lose their life in flooding. This is not limited to rainfall alone, but other environmental disasters. The question is, what will you do to save the world? This is the opportunity for you to join us in Greenswitch Initiative to build a sustainable world, livable for everyone. Greenswitch Initiative, building a sustainable world together.